First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
It's a good morning for a stroll down El Paseo. It is quiet, and right now our temperatures are nicely in check, but that's all changing fairly quickly as we move toward the afternoon. Sun is up, so the temperatures are now going to start to rise again after reaching our morning lows. Skies are clear across Southern California and across the western U.S. This is really a broad area of high pressure that's going to keep us fairly warm. And the other aspect of this, beneath that ridge of high pressure, we trap the air. And remember, the air is sinking. There's not a lot of movement. It's a very stable weather pattern. So we end up with air quality levels that begin to deteriorate. And that's the case this morning. We're in the moderate range and will likely reach unhealthy for sensitive groups later on today. Temperatures in the upper 70s around most of the valley. A little bit cooler when you get down toward Thermal and Mecca. We're at 72 in Yucca Valley, still holding on to 81 in Desert Hot Springs. Dew points, well, we've struggled with these the last couple of days. It's been a little humid. It's been a little sticky here in the studio this morning. It is still going to be that way through the early part of today, but we do see some drier dew points moving in this afternoon and tomorrow. Light breezes and not much of a breeze on the valley floor at all. North of the valley, up in Desert Hot Springs and Yucca Valley, you're going to see winds around 10, maxing out at 15 miles per hour. The strongest wind gust we've clocked this morning is in Banning at 17. So there's not a whole lot of wind. It's going to get hot this afternoon, and that means you have to really check on when you walk your pets outdoors or even just let them out in the backyard, around the patio, around the pool. The concrete gets very hot at fairly mild temperatures, and asphalt even hotter. So make sure you check the temperature of where you're walking your pets with the back of your palm, back of your hand, because that will give you some sense of how hot it is. You don't want to burn those puppies' paws. 111 today, a little hotter than yesterday. This area of high pressure sort of dances around off the coast of Baja for the next few days. It doesn't really start to break down, and we don't see any significant change in temperature until Sunday. So if you want to track weather yourself, you can download our app. You can search KESQ First Alert, and what you'll find is this forecast right at your fingertips. Our Comfort Air 7-day forecast numbers in the 111, 112 range until we get to Sunday and Monday. Angela and Jeff.
I really like that graphic with Patrick.